Custom t-shirts continue to be one of the best-selling print-on-demand products with a $4.31 billion market. One of the fastest ways to get into this thriving market is by launching your print-on-demand t-shirt store on Shopify. It's a beginner-friendly and easy-to-use e-commerce platform for those looking to sell t-shirts online. In this video, we'll show you how to create a t-shirt brand on Shopify and set yourself up for success from the start. Shopify makes it easy to get started, but success depends on planning. With a huge $46.99 billion t-shirt market in 2025, you need a target, unique designs that are true to your brand, and solid marketing. Shopify's print-on-demand lowers the barrier to entry and no significant investment is required. You can build a store for any t-shirt style, and print-on-demand takes care of manufacturing and shipping. All right, let's break down the steps you need to follow to set up your t-shirt business. First things first, to really make your t-shirt business pop on Shopify, you need to nail down two things: who you're selling to and what makes your t-shirts special. That's your audience and your niche. Let's start with your audience. Who are you trying to reach? Don't just think about age and location, dig deeper. What do they care about? What are their hobbies? What kind of style do they love? Jump on social media, check out forums, and reach out for quick chats. Get to know your audience. The more you know, the better you can tailor your t-shirt designs and marketing. Now let's talk niche. A niche is a smaller, super focused group within your audience. Think of it as a specific interest or style. For example, dog lovers instead of just animal lovers, or fans of 70s rock instead of just music lovers. Finding a niche helps you stand out and build a loyal customer base. But here's the secret: look for a demand gap. That's where people want something, but it's not readily available. If you're stuck, check out our video on the most profitable print-on-demand niches. It'll help you find a niche that aligns with your brand. You need a product that serves your audience, and the first step is to create winning designs. Whether you create your own t-shirt designs or hire a freelancer, make sure you're crystal clear on your t-shirt design and logo placement. Start by researching consumer and t-shirt design trends to align your artwork with your target audience. When researching, pay attention to what catches your eye and why. You can find inspiration in usual places like social media, marketplaces like Amazon or Etsy, and Behance, which is a platform for creatives to showcase their work. Study your competitors' best-selling t-shirt designs to understand what works and how you can stand out. I like to check out Pentagram's website, one of my favorite design studios and makers of incredible designs, or Adweek, a publication that heavily features current graphic design in media to see what's trending in the industry. Also, testing your designs will tell you what's most profitable. You can post your designs on your social media and ask for feedback to see what's popular and which designs are getting the most engagement. This will refine your design ideas based on what your potential customers are telling you, so your final product will sell. If your followers are commenting, "This design should be on a t-shirt," then that's probably the design you should sell on your Shopify store. T-shirt design tools are the easiest way to start the design process. You don't need to be a pro to get a great result. All you need is a design platform and time to get it done. Here are two beginner-friendly options. Let's start with Printful's Design Maker, built-in design software with an intuitive interface for creating custom product designs for your tees. It has a mockup generator to turn your design from a 2D image to a 3D product, a huge library of pre-made design elements and illustrations, and many more advanced features to customize your artwork. Canva is a cloud-based graphic design tool for beginners. It has a simple drag-and-drop interface and a huge library of fonts, design assets, images, and ready-to-use templates. You can also upload and tweak your own visuals, remove the background, change colors, add text, adjust the position of elements, etc. Choosing the actual t-shirt you'll be printing on is just as important as the design itself. The right t-shirt can make a huge difference in how your customers perceive your brand and how satisfied they are with their purchase. So, let's talk about fabric, weight, and fit. The fabric of your t-shirt affects everything from how it looks and feels to how it fits. You'll usually be choosing between cotton, polyester, or a blend. Cotton is soft, comfortable, and durable, and it will last your customers for years. However, it can shrink and fade with washing. Polyester is stretchy and holds shape and color well, but it is not as breathable as cotton. Blends are a combination of both cotton and polyester, but require more care. The weight of the fabric determines its thickness. Lightweight t-shirts are thin and breathable, perfect for warm weather. Midweight is a good balance of comfort and versatility, and heavyweight is thick and warm, ideal for cold weather and layering. Think about your target audience and where they live when choosing the weight. The most common t-shirt fits are slim, regular, and relaxed. According to your customer's needs and preferences, you can choose a slim-fitting t-shirt or a relaxed t-shirt that is wider but not baggy in the chest and waist area. Check out Printful's product catalog to see what kind of t-shirts you can sell online. You'll find different styles, including oversized fits, which have been trending and growing in popularity. Now let's talk about how you'll actually print your designs onto t-shirts. This is a big step, and you'll want to think about your design, your budget, and your t-shirt business. We'll cover 3 options: DTG, direct-to-film printing, and embroidery. So DTG, or direct-to-garment printing, is the most popular one and is a lot like printing on paper, but with fabric. A specialized printer sprays water-based inks directly onto the t-shirt. It's great for complex designs and smaller orders and gives you high-quality, long-lasting prints that are soft to the touch. DTG works best on cotton and cotton blends, and you're not limited by ink color, although brighter ink colors will yield better results. For example, bright yellow on a blue shirt offers good contrast, while a design with dark tones on a dark fabric will lack contrast and be difficult to see. DTF, or direct-to-film printing, is a versatile option that works on a wider range of fabrics. The design is printed onto a PET film and then transferred onto the t-shirt using a heat press. This method allows for detailed prints and a broad color palette and is good for bulk orders. The prints are thicker and more durable than DTG prints. If you want a premium, durable finish, embroidery is the way to go. It adds 3D texture to your design, perfect for logos and intricate patterns. Embroidery is a cost-effective option for multicolored designs and is durable. However, it's not the best option for designs with very complex color changes or very small design elements such as fine lines thinner than 0.05 inches, tiny text, or illustrations with excessive color detail. Before the embroidery machine can stitch your design, it needs to be digitized, meaning that it needs to be converted into a special embroidery file. With Printful, you have easy access to these t-shirt customization techniques for your Shopify store. They're adapted to automatic order fulfillment and ship directly to your customers as the orders come in. All that with no inventory. Let's see how to do that. Setting up your Shopify store is easy. First, create a Shopify account and choose a plan that fits your brand needs and budget. For most people starting a new store, the basic plan is a good fit. From your Shopify dashboard, use the Setup Guide, a helpful checklist to configure your store before selling. We'll start by connecting your Shopify account to the Printful app so you can access Printful's massive print-on-demand catalog. In the Shopify App Store, search for the Printful print-on-demand app and click Install. If you don't have a Printful account yet, sign up here. After installation, click Go to Printful to access your Printful dashboard. Then go to Stores and click Add Product to get started adding t-shirts. Select all t-shirts. For this tutorial, we'll use the unisex staple t-shirt, a popular choice among brands that sell with Printful. In Printful's Design Maker, create a new design using the tools here or upload your custom design here. Once you're done, click Continue. Choose your product mockups. These are the photos your customers will see, and click Continue again. Create your product title and description, then click Continue to set your pricing. In the product pricing stage, you'll see the Printful price column, which is the price to fulfill the product at the Printful's facilities, the retail price column, and the estimated earnings column, which is the retail price minus the Printful price, your profit. Let's test it. The Printful price for this t-shirt is $13, so if I want to set an estimated profit margin, I'll set the retail price at $20. See how the estimated earnings are updated to your new retail price? If you want to learn more about how payments work at Printful and other costs to be considered for selling print-on-demand items on Printful, check out our payments guide page. I'll leave a link in the description. Congrats! You've added your first t-shirt to your Shopify store. Your product is now available in the product section of your Shopify account. Next up is actually designing your store. From the store setup checklist, you can generate your custom theme or browse for pre-made themes. For this video, I'll choose an existing theme. And from the popular free themes section, I'll choose the Spotlight theme since it's the one that looks more like an online shop. Once the theme is installed, click Customize to start customizing your t-shirt shop. The great thing about Shopify themes is that you can customize their layout, colors, and fonts to reflect your brand and niche from top to bottom without knowing how to code. As you see here, I'm just going to customize the basics of my online store. Think about the things you want to stand out with. Is it your brand story, vibrant colors, product first focus, or the power of small details like catchy typography? Design your Shopify theme according to this. Use your creativity, but don't forget to make your website user-friendly and optimized for mobile, as most online shopping happens on mobile devices. Make sure you take your time to complete all your store settings. After that, you'll want to add your custom domain, get Shopify payments going, and set up your shopping rates too. Once your Shopify store and products are live, it's time to market. Here are a couple of tips. The most effective marketing begins with a solid strategy. In short, a marketing strategy is a step-by-step plan to reach your target audience and convert them into loyal customers. It will help you clearly showcase your vision, promote your product, and achieve your goals faster. To determine where and how you'll promote your product, base your plan on 4 pillars: customer analysis, competitor research, your unique selling proposition or USP, and your goals. Once you build that strategy, you can use a Shopify app like Aftership to help you boost performance, increase your return on investment, and drive serious brand loyalty. Think of it as your marketing Swiss Army knife. With Aftership, you can launch eye-catching pop-ups like spin wheels, manage your customers with built-in CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management, send web push notifications, and even add those little touches to your Shopify store like countdown timers and coupons. Email marketing requires a small investment and some time to get going, but it's a crucial element for marketing your brand. Send regular newsletters to your email list to update, inspire, educate, and inform your readers about your brand. You can also use this channel to promote special campaigns such as new product drops, pop-up sales, holiday deals, and more. Want to start email marketing for your Shopify store? Try Klaviyo. It uses customer data to create targeted email and SMS campaigns to build customer relationships and sales. There you have it. We've covered defining your audience, creating t-shirt designs, choosing a customization technique, and setting up your store. Now, you are ready to launch your custom t-shirt business on Shopify. If you have any questions about creating your Shopify t-shirt store, please leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them. To learn more about adding products and setting up shipping, watch our How to Connect Shopify to Printful tutorial. Until then, happy selling!